Our student volunteers will be joining us from different campuses, and they are also excited to be part of the program.
Guys. Are you guys okay?
Yes.
Are you good?
Yes.
Keep Friday, guys. Tomorrow we get the.
Isikhathi siyahamba ngimile kuleli uthunzi lokwesakwehlulela kusasa yazama zama ukuthi ngigcine ngibhiyiso ilolo ligolide ngamafushane mhlaba uzongithwala ithi inhlabathi ngeyifuba ngilalela impela ngokuthula ngingakakuphezi lokho ngilalisa kuleza igubo ngokuthula ngiphenduphenduka ngifuna icebo elihle ngoba ngitshela ukuthi angeke ngahluleka ngizophumelela ekuseni ngivuka yimi esibukweni ngiyafunga okongihlula kumhlaba ukufa nethuna.
What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk, I could get it, to do my price. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing a sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise, I want the precise.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another vlog. Oh my gosh, my voice, guys. It's early in the morning. I think it's around 7 o'clock. I woke up very early because I wanted to do my laundry, and I also want to clean my room. As you can see, the mess at the back, but I am gonna fix that. Yesterday I went to White with my friend to watch a soccer match. Oh, I'm sweating. So we went to White to watch Orlando Pirates versus Durban City, and it was a draw, guys. As long as I loser, because Chiefs in it holo noise pollution in it holo. But anyway, it was a draw, but I know they could have done better, guys. At least go 1 yana, but yeah, next time.
every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
Yeah, I was running up the stairs. I just took pictures for Sheen downstairs, and now I'm going to school because I have a revision class at 6. Yeah, it's currently 5:15, I think. So I'm gonna rush to that. Guys, it is so cold. Like, I hope this is my last class. I hope there won't be any revision classes because I'm tired. I just took a shower and I just want to say the water here, I don't know what's going on with it, and someone complained about the water here and it's coming to home. But now when I wash my face, like and so it is definitely the water, not the products that I use, because I didn't change my skincare routine. So it has to be the water, and the water does look clean. It doesn't look dirty at all. So I don't know what's going on, but and it has been going on for the past, I don't know how many days. So now I boil my water, and then I mix that boiled water with the water that I drink. So yeah, my skin has been better. Right now it is better. And then and I wash my face. Like pure water from the tap, like the water from the tap here. Nope, child, I don't know what's going on, but something is definitely going on. But anyway, guys, I just took a shower and I feel so fresh. Right now I just want to eat some ice cream, chill, and watch some Netflix. Oh, and tomorrow I'm going home. Tomorrow I am going home, guys. Like, I've been homesick for the past I don't know how many days, and I want to go home. Like, I want to go back to the Val just for a few days. Today's a Wednesday, so I'm probably gonna come back on Sunday, and then after that I just need to focus on my exams. Like, when I go home tomorrow, I'm gonna take my books with me because I am gonna study most of the time. And yeah, guys, I cannot wait for tomorrow. I even asked my dad to cook one of my favorite meals. Child, like it delay. I hope he does cook it, but shame. So yeah, guys, maybe I'll start packing tomorrow morning or today. I'll see. Yeah, I'll see. Good morning, guys. I just came back from Rent Steam. I'm going home today. I'm going home today and I'm waiting for my dad. So I went to Rent Steam to take out some cash. I just needed cash for something, and then I bought KFC because I haven't had breakfast today, and it's currently, I'm sure, 11:30 or 11 o'clock, somewhere there. I came back and I found a package. It is from L'Oreal. As today it is so hot, and in hey, this is the outfit that I was wearing yesterday when I went to school, and today is pretty much hot. Okay, it's not really hot, but like it's not cold. So yo, getcha. But anyway, guys, right now I'm just gonna eat, chill, and wait for my dad to call. Can't wait. Guys, I missed home. Like about 2 months ago, and the next like 2 weeks ago. That is just the side that I actually love being home. I love it so much. scrum-dilly yum yum. I'm finally home, and like I said, my dad cooked. This is the end of the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.